This happens every day, but nobody notices. Tiny eyes observe our world in extraordinary ways. But not all insect eyes are created equal. Today, we compare two distinct visual systems. Compound eyes and simple eyes offer unique perspectives. These specialized organs shape insect survival daily. Understanding them reveals nature's ingenious design. Dragonflies, for instance, boast incredible compound eyes. These complex structures are formed by many ommatidia. Each ommatidium acts as an individual lens.
They create a mosaic image, not a single clear picture.
A dragonfly's eye might contain up to 30,000 ommatidia. This grants them a nearly 360-degree field of view. Their primary strength lies in detecting rapid movement. Flies also rely heavily on their impressive compound eyes. This helps them evade predators or find mates quickly. They perceive light intensity shifts with great precision. Now, let's explore the simple eye, known as the ocelli. Ocelli are much simpler, featuring a single lens. Unlike compound eyes, they don't form detailed images.
Instead, ocelli are highly sensitive to light levels.
Many adult insects possess 3 dorsal ocelli. Bees use these ocelli for horizon detection mid-flight. They help orient the insect, stabilizing its navigation. Caterpillars also possess simple eyes, called stemmata. These stemmata assist in sensing light and dark changes. They guide the caterpillar towards suitable food plants. Nocturnal insects often use ocelli for twilight perception. They can discern day from night, initiating behaviors. So, what's the fundamental difference in function? Compound eyes excel at motion and wide-angle perception. They are ideal for hunting or avoiding airborne threats. Simple eyes are crucial for light detection and orientation. They provide essential environmental light cues instantly. A bee uses its compound eyes for foraging on flowers. Simultaneously, its ocelli maintains stable flight direction. This dual system offers a remarkable evolutionary advantage. Insects effectively combine these visual tools for survival. They navigate intricate worlds with astonishing precision. Their specialized vision secures their place in ecosystems. Nature's solutions for sight are truly diverse and effective. These tiny creatures have mastered their visual environments. The comparison highlights nature's incredible adaptability. Understanding this helps us appreciate biodiversity more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.